What you are about to hear does not belong to the modern world. It belongs to a time before roads, before cities, before noise. Deep in Central Africa, deep in the southern wetlands, where the earth stays wet and the air hangs heavy, there is a place where time does not move fast. And in that place stands a bird that looks like it walked straight out of prehistory. A bird that looks like something the dinosaurs left behind. A bird that looks unreal, but is very real. This is the Shoebill Stork. Tall, still, watching. Its body is large and solid, built like an ancient statue. Its feathers are dull gray, the color of old stone and morning mist. And its eyes do not blink often. The Shoebill stares. It does not just look at you. It studies you, as if measuring your movement, measuring your breath, measuring time itself. Then, after a long moment, it blinks. Not a normal blink. A slow, heavy blink. What many call the collapse stare. It feels like something folds inward. Like the world pauses for a second. Like something ancient has looked into you and can see your soul. When that eye opens again, it is no longer watching you. It has already moved on. Then there is the Shoebill Stork beak. Wide, heavy, massive. A beak shaped like a wooden shoe, strong enough to crush bone with a single snap. When it opens, it feels like the past opening its mouth. The Shoebill does not rush. It does not chase. It waits. For hours. Sometimes longer. Standing perfectly still in shallow water, blending into the swamp like it belongs there, because it does. Beneath the surface, ancient fish move. Lungfish rise slowly to breed. And in one sudden moment, without warning, the Shoebill strikes. The beak comes down with explosive force. Water erupts. Bones crack. The hunt is over before it truly begins. This bird does not hunt with speed. It hunts with patience, with precision, with absolute certainty. In African wetlands, people say the Shoebill carries the spirit of the old world. A reminder of what once ruled this land long before us. Because when you see the Shoebill standing there, silent, unmoving, watching, you understand something powerful. Not everything ancient is gone. Some things are still watching. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more extraordinary wildlife stories. You are watching Wildlife Adventure Files. If it's not wild or mysterious, we don't talk about it.